How to put money on PayPal? Well, let me walk you through it. So once you are inside of your PayPal account, what you want to do is you want to navigate to the top left corner next to PayPal balance and click on these three dots right here. Once you do, you're going to see the option to add money. Click on add money. On the next page, you're going to see different options for how you can put money onto your PayPal account. In my case, I can do an instant top up from my bank using this service called Trustly. And the second option is a manual bank transfer. So in this case, I'm going to do a manual transfer and I'm going to click next. And here are the 3 steps you need to do to put money onto your PayPal account. Number 1, you need to put the money from an account that's already linked to PayPal and that the PayPal account matches your name. Second, you need to log into your online banking and you need to do a transfer with these credentials, right? So the bank of the payee, this is the international business account number, and this is the BIC number, okay? And then lastly, you need to look out for an email. The transfer is going to take 1 to 2 business days. So once you send this money, you're going to then see that money in your PayPal accounts. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.